Dressing for success is crucial for young professionals aiming to make a positive impression. This guide will explore how professional attire can enhance respect and credibility in the workplace. Dressing for success means choosing attire that conveys professionalism and respect. This presentation will explore how appropriate clothing can enhance your career prospects and personal confidence. Dressing professionally creates a strong first impression, signaling respect and seriousness about your work. It boosts confidence, enhancing your presence in professional settings. This attire reflects your commitment and dedication, making you stand out as a reliable and competent individual. Different industries demand distinct dress codes. In business, suits and ties are standard, reflecting professionalism. Technology sectors often embrace casual attire like jeans and t-shirts, promoting comfort and creativity. Healthcare professionals wear lab coats for hygiene and identification. Artists express individuality through colorful, creative clothing. Each industry's attire aligns with its unique culture and functional needs. Professional attire requires clean, ironed clothes, avoiding wrinkles or dirt. Ensure garments aren't too revealing. Shoes should be polished, reflecting attention to detail. Maintain good personal hygiene by showering regularly, brushing teeth, and keeping hair clean and neatly styled. These elements collectively enhance your professional image. Invest in quality clothing to ensure durability and a polished look. Focus on details like clean, pressed attire and appropriate accessories such as shoes, belts, and jewelry. Research your job's dress code to align with expectations. Confidence and authenticity in your style can significantly enhance your professional presence. Thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into dressing for success and its impact on professional growth. Remember, your attire is a reflection of your personal brand.